Tremendous Visa card review. Let's get started. So, is it legit or a scam? So, it offers some legitimacy and some background. It has some established payout platform which is trusted by major brands like Google, Visa, and MIT, with 80 plus employees and over $1 billion in rewards sent since 2011. So, they also offer Visa branded gift cards, gift codes, and other rewards via email or SMS links, which is clearly a legitimate reward infrastructure. So, it has some real world card issues though. So apparently they have some fraudulent charges comments and they have poor customer support and restrictions. And they even have limited usability and some hidden fees. However, user experience says that do not choose tremendous reward cards because you will not be able to dispute a fraudulent charge and you will lose all the money. They even have PayPal issues and they have refund denial complaints. So in conclusion, it is legit but far from user friendly. So Tremendous Visa Card is a legitimate reward platform used by reputable companies to distribute prepaid Visa cards and gift codes, and the platform itself is real and secure size for enterprise usage. However, the prepaid Visa cards come with significant downsides. It has poor protection against fraud, they have transaction failures, and the hidden expiry and inactivity rules.